What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to clear Discord cache on Windows 11. So firstly, open this PC of Fire Explorer. Click on the search bar at the top and type local app data/discord, then press enter. Also you can press Windows plus R, then type app data, then press enter. Navigate to Roaming, then Discord. Now inside the Discord folder, locate cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Open each folder and delete all the files inside, or you can delete the folders entirely. This will make Discord feel faster and smoother, and it might take a moment to reload content on the first launch. Your messages, servers, and account stay safe. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.